Yes guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once more, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. So today guys, I'm gonna cook some jerk chicken. Yeah, I'm cooking some jerk chicken guys, and it's gonna be outside on the grill. So I'm just cleaning up and preparing it inside, and then we go outside, light up the grill and get it going. All right, some rice and peas. Yeah, man. Now it's been a while guys, I haven't been in the kitchen so regular, you know, just been busy working all over, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so I'm back home guys, and I'm back in the kitchen sharing with you guys, so it's a pleasure, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so let's get down to business guys. Yeah man, so I have my chicken here, and it's all drumsticks guys. So I washed it in vinegar and lime juice to get rid of that meat odor. All right. So I'm rinse it off, and I'm gonna rinse it twice. Yes guys, so just stay tuned, catch it pre and watch what go on. Yes guys, so you know it's Sunday, so you don't know, cooking some rice and peas to go with my jerk chicken. Alright, and I'm gonna make some fry plantain. Yeah man, and some vegetable salad. Alright, so I'm getting my peas, my red peas washed. Don't know guys, it's Sunday, you know what I mean? And it's a Jamaican traditional thing, rice and peas on Sunday. Yeah man, that is it. Stay tuned guys, catch it pre and watch what go on. Yes guys, so I'm preparing some garlic and some scallion, thyme. Yeah man, to add to my jerk chicken. Alright. So stay tuned guys, catch it pre and watch what go on. Yeah man. So I'm making some real Jamaican jerk chicken, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna do it outside on the grill. Yeah man. So jerk chicken don't do in the oven guys. Once you put it in the oven, it's baked chicken. It's called baked chicken, not jerk chicken. Jerk chicken has to be done on the grill. Yeah man. Add some fresh thyme. I'm gonna wash these up guys. Alright, so I'm cutting these real fine guys. And these knives need to be sharpened. You catch some edges on the knife, you know what I mean? rinse it off just in case.
Cutting these real fine, guys, real fine, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. I just like this flavor when it hits the grill, you know what I mean? That is it. So I put it on my chicken, guys. Yeah, I leave some for my rice and peas. So first I'm gonna add some meat seasoning. I'm gonna add some Maggi all-purpose. Add some garlic powder. Some Italian herbs and spices. Yeah, man, I love my Italian herbs and spices, guys. Natural stuff, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Add some original Creole seasoning. Yeah, man. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Then I add some paprika. Yeah, man. Paprika gives it nice flavor, guys. Nice color. Yeah, man. Great combination. The cayenne pepper. Good stuff. Cayenne pepper is really good to cook with, guys. And last but not least, Walker's with jerk seasoning. Yeah, man, and I use the mild one. That's why I add the cayenne pepper, you know what I mean? I'm gonna add some soya sauce. And then I'm gonna rub this in properly, alright? Don't be afraid to get your hands all up in it, guys. Once your hands are clean, it's no problem, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. And make sure the seasoning is up underneath the skin of the chicken, guys. Yeah, man. Don't be afraid to rub it in, guys. It's the right way to do it, you know what I mean? That is it. So I'm gonna leave this to marinate. Wash, get my hands clean, guys. sure we get the sink clean, you know what I mean? That is it. Here you go, guys. Yeah, man. All seasoned down properly, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, that is it. So I'm gonna let this sit right here. Get a cover. Yeah, man. Cover it, let it marinate while I get my rice and peas going. And I'm gonna light up the grill outside, alright? Yeah, man, so stay tuned, guys. Catch it, pray, and watch what go on. Yeah, man, that is it, guys. No joke. So we have jerk chicken, yeah, man, rice and peas, and some steamed cabbage, alright? That is it. That's my Sunday dinner. Yeah, man. So later on in the evening, I get the grill going outside, sit back, chill, and have myself a Guinness or two, you know what I mean? All the vibes. That is it. Yes, guys, so I'm preparing some seasoning for my steamed cabbage. Yeah, man, so just stay tuned, catch a free, and watch what I'm doing. Alright, guys, so see, I have my garden season and vegetables prepared to steam my cabbage. Alright, yeah, man, so I'm gonna get the stove going, guys. Yeah, man, so stay tuned, catch it free, and watch what go on. it. So as we come to the end of part 1 of the video, guys, stay tuned, catch a prey, watch what I go on. I'm gonna light up the grill outside and get the jerk chicken going for the part 2. Alright, so look out, catch a prey, watch what I go on, and don't forget, keep supporting my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Like, share, subscribe, drop a comment in that comment section. Alright, that is it.